Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents What happens when you drink water with baking soda on an empty stomach. When you drink baking soda and water on an empty stomach, it offers few indisputable benefits for your body. Drinking a glass of water along with baking soda on an empty stomach could assist you to get free from certain severe diseases. The procedure is very easy and you will be surprised to know how helpful it is. Is it safe to drink water with baking soda? Dissolving baking soda inside water is now not a new thing. It is completely safe to drink a mixture of water with baking sodas. It can assist you to relieve symptoms connected with some conditions like indigestion, arthritis, heartburn, body infection, etc. The mixture is safe for your body if consumed in proper doses. Moreover, it could also assist to balance your body chemistry, activating self-healing. How to prepare baking soda and water? You will need half teaspoon, that is 3 grams of baking soda, a glass of water, 200 ml. How to prepare it? It will take you only 2 minutes to prepare this. Combine both these ingredients and then drink on an empty stomach. Benefits of drinking baking soda and water on empty stomach: prevents kidney stones, cures urinary infections, alkalizes the body, functions as natural antacid, functions as gout relief, boosts the body energy, cleanses the digestive tract, controls cholesterol. Number 1. Antacid effect: acid reflux and heartburn. Recognized as an antacid, baking soda functions to neutralize acid present in the stomach. If you suffer from acid reflux, it could be very painful and annoying. It is known that acid splashes right from the stomach upward to the esophagus, and then it could reach up as far as the backside of the throat. When you drink baking soda with water, the mixture assists to counteract the hydrochloric acid as well as remove the ache of heartburn. Furthermore, the agitation, bubbling that takes place when baking soda is dissolved into the water encourages burping that can work to relieve bloating and gas. Number 2. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are known to be caused because of iron deficiency. It is found that the key reason for the formation of kidney stones is the absence of sufficient hydration. In such cases, the baking soda benefits to alkalize the urine, to melt uric acid stones or the calcium oxalate, which indirectly assist to get rid of kidney stones. This also benefits to restore the level of pH of your body and thus avoids kidney stones formation along with improving their functioning. Number 3. Treat gout. Gout is recognized as a kind of arthritis that influences your hands and feet mainly because of the buildup of uric acid crystals inside the joints. The mixture of baking soda and water would elevate the pH levels in order to alkalize your blood, stop crystallization as well as deposition in joints. Number 4. Constipation relief. Consumption of baking soda with water assists you to cure constipation by dragging water inside your digestive tract and facilitating muscle contractions. Whenever this mixture mixes with stomach acid, it generates gas and makes you to burp, causing relief to constipation. Number 5. Alkalize the body, pH balance. The disease-causing microorganisms are found to survive in an acid environment. Moreover, few chronic diseases such as arthritis, cancer, and osteoporosis are caused due to the increased acidity inside your body. Drinking a glass of water with baking soda on an empty stomach would function to alkalize your body as well as blood. Number 6. Cures urinary infections, UTI. Weak hygiene, certain medications, low immunity, etc. may lead to the development of the urinary tract infection, UTI, by allowing the growth of bacteria in the bladder. The combination of baking soda with water possesses antiseptic properties that decrease the acid levels present in the urine and decrease the amount of the bacteria. Number 7. Indigestion, stomach cleanse. Baking soda and water combination would cleanse your digestive tract and function to balance the body's pH level, thus resolving problems of indigestion. Number 8. Treat morning sickness. The sodium present in baking soda assists to reduce your stomach acid. This way, problems caused due to morning sicknesses are cured as the stomach acid is reduced. Number 9. Prevent cancer. An extremely acidic environment encourages persistent tumor growth in primary as well as metastatic cancer types. If you consume baking soda with water, the mixture functions to raise the pH of tumors and decrease the pace of formation of natural metastasis found in metastatic breast cancer mouse models. This way, cancer is cured. The right way to drink water with baking soda. The correct way to drink water with baking soda is to drink 1 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved inside 1 glass of water daily for 2 times a day on an empty stomach. This should be continued till you perceive improvement in your body's pH levels. You could measure the pH of your body during morning and 1 time during the day. Throughout the day, the pH level would be higher as compared to that in the morning, which suggests that your body is becoming more alkaline. In case you wish to see major improvement in your pH level every day, try increasing the dose. How much baking soda is safe to drink daily? Generally, combining half teaspoon of baking soda inside half glass of water is considered as a safe dose. Those people who are in age group of 5 to 60 could consume up to 7 doses at every 2 hours in a 24-hour period. For people who are older than 60, consume up to 3 doses in a day. The relevant instructions warn consumers to prevent taking the maximum dosage for duration exceeding 2 weeks. People facing with the conditions discussed above should take appropriate dose of baking soda with water on an empty stomach. However, if you face recurrent heartburn or stomach upset, it is best to consult a doctor. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.